What's up, guys? So we got this big move down, and I'm gonna show you the signals that I saw that are showing, the warning signs of a drop coming. So whenever you come to the charts, you always want to start off on the daily time frame just to see what overall the market structure is. And this 50 EMA is still below the 200. So yeah, price went above the 200, but the 50 is not above it. So it's still not full on bullish cycle, bullish patterns or whatever coming in yet. So there still could be some zigzag. Now the good thing is that the 8 and 14 EMA, this red and blue, it crossed over the 200. So we had a nice move up. We had a nice move up, but the 50 was still not over the 200. So if you catch the move up, take some profits and wait for the retrace. Looking at market cipher, we like over here, we already had that red dot. It came down to the 8 EMA, came down to 14 for a wick, found support, and it pumped right back up. So check this out. Price went higher, but when you look at the RSI, it went lower. So on the daily time frame, we had a bearish divergence right here. And you look on the market cipher, momentum wave made a lower high right here. So we had a bearish divergence. You need to be taking some profits if you caught this long, and try to get back in. Now I thought it's gonna just come down to the 200 EMA, like around right here. We had some resistance right here, so maybe it turned into support, and it did for a couple of days. It bounced up, but the momentum to the downside was too strong. It fell below, and it fell below the 50 EMA. That's not very good. Now, using the RSI BB, which is where's my favorite indicator, the RSI is below the lower Bollinger Band, but look at this. The Bollinger Band, it's expanding out, it's getting wide. So the RSI can still ride the lower Bollinger Band. It could pop in and then come right back out and still come lower. The RSI is only at a 41. You still got lots of room to the downside, It could be something like this that happened here. See how the white lines are expanding, bulging out? RSI can still come down, pop in, and come back down. So just be careful. Now, what I really saw that predicted this move was when you go down to the 2-day. Yeah, we're pushing up higher, right? Let me delete this. So this whole move, we're moving up. The 8 EMA was support, but look at this. The new candles on the 2-day were opening far from the 8 EMA. So when it opens far like this, I don't like it. It means like a move back down to it is gonna come. So it opened far. The next 2-day candle, we came down, but we didn't come to the 8 EMA. The next candle, we came down to it, touched it, and bounced up. So that's good now. So the price could keep going higher because we found support off of it, But when you look at this right here, look at the RSI BB. We had a sell signal right here, so that was right there. The price still went up higher, but the RSI BB didn't give another sell signal, but this was a good warning sign already right here. We look at market cipher, the money flow is still red. The VWAP is coming down, and we had a 2-day confirmation right here. The momentum waves was kind of high. It confirmed, or we had the red dot on this drop. So it happened on the day that the price came down. But look what happened afterwards. After confirmation, yeah, we had spikes up, but the close of the 2-day were only wicks. Like, we only had wicks to the upside, and it came right back down. That's not good. That means the buying pressure is not there. Now, the 8 and 14 EMA, it crossed over the 50, but look, now it looks like it wants to come right back down below it as a fake out. We'll see if the 200 EMA here acts as support. So yeah, we had that RSI BB sell signal. We go to the 3-day, and look at this, same thing. We had that RSI BB sell signal right here. Now we have a red dot confirmed and money flow. You know, it's coming back down. VWAP is down, so this is not very good. What else? Yeah, the 8 and 14 EMA did not cross over the 50. It was close, but it got close. You know, it got close to it, and it came right back down. That's not very good. 4-day, same thing. RSI BB sell signal. Now we got a red dot right here. So, and money flow is coming back down into the red. Look at that. It's coming right back down.
I see the shadow in your eyes.
Let's look on 5-day. 5-day, it only went above it very slightly. Very slightly, it crossed over the Bollinger Band, and it's coming right back down. 5-day red dot. That's not very good. That's a trigger wave right there. And same thing, 8 and 14 EMA did not get above the 50. Now, if you're scalping these moves, the lowest time frame I use is like really the 1 hour. And you go down to the 1 hour, look at this. Price is going up. As price was going higher, overall is higher, the RSI has been coming down. Like, just look at that. Looking from this move to this. RSI, it was like all the way up here. And look at this. It's just been coming down, making lower highs. So we had that drop down to the 200 EMA. We found support, it came right back up. Now we have another bearish divergence. Price is going up higher. And look at this, RSI is getting lower, making lower highs. And overall, this is one big bearish divergence. The overall price was going higher. And overall, RSI was all the way up here, and it started back down over here. That was a big sign that price is going to come down. Look at all these blood diamonds. We got the yellow X's. So now I'm looking to see. I shorted it at 31.85. My average entry was at 31.85, and I got out at 30.20. Like right there, made $1,000 profit. So the account's sitting at almost 3,700. So I'm trying to get that back up to 10K and start over from 1,000. But what can we do now? We still get that yellow X. We got zones above us that price can come back up to market makers can recover these red candles right here. Now, we don't know when they'll push price back up, and money flow is coming down, so I'm looking for a bullish divergence now. So as price is coming down, RSI is making higher lows, so we could see a little quick wick down and then come back up. And these are the areas of interest, like this whole red candle. Price can come back up to 31.58. But really what you want to look for is seeing the 50 EMA as the rejection point. So if I were to go long, I'm not going to set my take profit at 31.58. I'm going to set my take profit wherever this 50 EMA is, and that's moving down aggressively. So get in, get out. Oh. look on the 4-hour. The 50 EMA is still above the 200, so that's good, but it's coming down. It's all angled down. We have an RSI BB buy signal, so we could see that little relief bounce. 6-hour, same thing, got a buy signal. And really, if you're using these higher time frames, you want to trade spot. You don't want to do leverage position. If you do leverage, use like 1x, 2x, and have multiple buy orders below us. But look at this. Got this whole red candle that can come back up to. If we go look at Bitcoin, something interesting that a lot of people have been talking about in the Market Cypher and Well Crew group chat is this weekly. That's the first ever that I've seen a weekly blood diamond. And look at this. The 8 and 14 EMA failed to get above the 50 EMA. That's a rejection of it. Momentum could still come back down now. So, I mean, also look at this. Money flow is peaking, is poking into the red right here. Red dot. I mean, it's not looking too good for the bulls right now. But this just means we have more buying opportunities at lower prices. So, you know, just be careful on opening any new leverage longs. But where I'm looking to buy back into ETH, and I'll wrap up this video. I'm thinking about start buying back into spot like right now, because I'm sitting in USDT right now. I'm gonna buy back into ETH, and when I see a bullish divergence, I'll start entering 1x, 2x leverage long positions and just look for a quick scalp up. But I'm not looking to hop back into another trade anytime soon. I mean, I just exited this morning, so I mean, I can wait a couple of days to enter another trade. It's just more about being patient, waiting for the right opportunity. So we'll see what happens.